Oh, that is wild that he would say that because it's so easy to download all of your ChatGPT data, all 3 years of it. And then I have a Python script that I've been giving everybody. You run it and it chunks your files up so that they're small enough to fit into NotebookLM. And I've uploaded 3 years of my ChatGPT history to NotebookLM. So if I start a new conversation, click NotebookLM, we should see one that says ChatGPT 2020-25, 183 sources right here. So whatever advantage he thought they had to keep people, it is completely and utterly gone. Like, there's no reason to keep ChatGPT as the primary AI that you use. I'm not going to completely get rid of it because I still use it to fact check and kind of look for logical gaps with other models that I use. But Gemini, you just get so much for $20. Like, it's all over the place. You get it in docs, you get Gemini Alpha with Sheets, you get it in Viz, you get it everywhere. NotebookLM, it's all over the place, man. And at some point, these models are smart enough right now, but at some point, the more they try to make them quote unquote smarter, they're just going to turn into philosophers. They're just going to be having flowery speech and sounding smart, but not really helpful or useful at all. And what we have right now is good enough. So Gemini is going to be my number one, especially with this personal intelligence update, because now it's tied into the Google ecosystem in a way where it really personalizes everything. Like, I was playing with it last night till like 2 in the morning, and I was just telling like, hey, write an email, a follow-up email to my son's teacher. It went into my email and it found the right one. There are several emails between me and my children's teachers. It found the right one, the one that needed to follow up, and it wrote it, and it was actually contextually accurate. I told her to do a couple other things, find the email course I signed up for. It found the email course, put it all in the chat. I was able to use the instructions to actually fix 2 problems with Gemini that I thought it had, which was the short responses when it should have been long responses, and not following directions in a step-by-step format just by copying and pasting 2 instructions into the internal memory, which I was sitting there copying and pasting for a long time last night, about 20 minutes, and I never hit a limit. And I was just kept expecting, like, okay, Google's gonna tell me I can't put anything else in here, and I just kept copying, kept pasting, kept copying, kept pasting. So whatever ChatGPT or Claude think they have in this regard, they're washed. Like, the only people who are probably going to keep saying, you know, Claude this, Claude that, are developers, people who use it to code, and that's fair if you use it to code. But for the majority of consumers, who most likely have 200 Google accounts, like, this is just a clear win. It's a clear win right here.